We're going to create a lined journal page. I selected my size 6x9, and then you're going to press the L, and that will make a line. Now you're going to size the line however you'd like. I'm going to make it nice and straight, and then we're going to duplicate that line. Now you can do you can do Control C and then Control V, but since I was using one hand to film this, I decided to just do the copy and paste the old-fashioned way. Once you get all, I have 5 to start with, you're going to select them all and then go over to the weight of the line. 1 is the thinnest, so I've selected 1. And then you're going to select them all again, and we're going to do the whole copy and paste over with those 5 lines. 25 lines for a journal page is pretty good, so that's what I'm shooting for. So I'm going to have 5 groups of 5. So we're going to copy and paste several times, and if you'll notice, the lines are not in the best shape and they're not lined up just right, but we're going to take care of all of that in just a minute. Once you get all of your lines on the page, you're going to then select all of them by clicking on the page and dragging up or down. Just select all the lines, go to position, and then go to tidy up at the very bottom, and magic happens. Woo, look how beautiful. Now, once you have your page the way you'd like, you're going to click this button here to duplicate. You can go up to 100 pages with Canva, but not over. And there you have your pages. Now, you're going to need to select PDF for print, and then download, save it however you like so you can find it again. There's your